Hello friends, we're back looking at our Olympic barbell, and today we're just going to add a little color to it. It's looking a little flat, a little gray. To do this, we're going to go up here to this little rainbow ball that is our edit appearance. Click on it. It'll open a menu over on this left hand side. I'm going to want to do the pin in place so this menu doesn't disappear. I'm going to start with the bar itself. Just going to select it out of my tree. It's my barbell. Excellent. Now I'm going to come down here and just sort of give it a grayish color. You can see it's sort of changed, and that looks good enough for me. Now the plates are a little bit more complicated just because there's so many of them. I'm going to select my 100-pound plates that I first dropped in here, then come down lower in the tree to my, here I'll shrink up that barbell, make it easier to see everything. 45, 35, 25, my 10, my 5, and my 2.5. But you notice that I only gathered up one side, and this other side's looking a little vacant, except for that initial 100-pounder. That's because we put it over there with the mirror feature. So I got to open up the mirror and select my mirrored 45, 35, 25, 10, 5, 2.5. Just going to come on over here, pick a color that looks good to me, making them sort of a traditional dark tone. Lets them stand out from the bar. That looks pretty good. Click OK. And then I can close down my appearance. And there you go. We've added some color to our barbell. Quick and easy. Hope you're having a good day.